You are welcome to my class. This afternoon, I want to quickly look at this question on the screen. The question is, if 4 over 3 m 1 n form a GP, which is geometric progression, the product of m and n is dash. So this is a why question. We are told to find the product of m and n. So that means before we can do that, we have to first find the value of m and n. Okay, now let's look at that. Now from here, my a, which is my first term, my a is equals to 4 over 3. And since I'm working on GP, I need to find my R too, which is the common ratio. My R, I don't know my R, which is my common ratio. I need to find that as well. In that case, if you look at this question very well, you see that 1 is the third term. 1 is the third term. So I can say T3 is equals to 1. Now, the third term of a GP is given by the formula AR raised to the power of 2. In that case, AR raised to the power of 2 is equals to 1. Now, I know the value of A, which is 4 over 3. So I can say 4 over 3 multiplied by R squared is equals to 1. Now I can find the value of R. In this case, I'm going to have 4R squared over 3 is equals to 1. So if I cross multiply here, if I cross multiply, I'm going to have 4R squared is equals to 3. So if I should divide both sides by 4, divide both sides by 4. If I divide both sides by 4, I'm going to have 4R squared over 4 is equals to 3 over 4 is equals to 3 over 4. So 4 cancel 4 here. In that case, R squared is equals to 3 over 4. If R squared is equals to 3 over 4, that means my R is equals to 3 over 4 raised to the power of half. 3 over 4 raised to the power of half, which is the same thing as square root of 3 over 4, which is the same thing as square root of 3 over 4. Now, this is the value of my R. Now, I can find my m and I can find my n now. Now, from here, my m is the second term. Second term, that's T2. T2 is equals to m. Now, second term is given by the formula AR. That means AR is equals to m. If AR is equals to m, I know my A and I know my R. My A is equals to 4 over 3. So I'm going to have 4 over 3 multiplied by square root of 3 over 4, which is my R. So this is equals to m. So I'm going to have my m to be equals to, my m is equals to 4 over 3 into the square root of 3 over 4. 4 over 3 into the square root of 3 over 4. Now, let's find my n as well. Let's find my n as well. Now from here, if you look at the formula from here, from the question, my n is the fourth term. So fourth term is T4. So T4 is equals to n. So T4 is given by the formula AR raised to the power of 3. AR raised to the power of 3 is equals to n. I know my A to be 4 over 3. My first time to be 4 over 3. So first time is 4 over 3. Multiply by my R, which is the common ratio. My R is square root of 3 over 4. That's square root of 3 over 4. Then raised to the power of 3. Square root of 3 over 4 raised to the power of 3 is equals to what? Is equals to n. Now I can write this one as 4 over 3 multiplied by 3 over 4 raised to the power of half times 3. In that case, this is equals to n. In that case, my n is equals to 4 over 3 into the square root of 3 over 4 raised to the power of square root of 3 over 4 raised to the power of 3 raised to the power of 3. Now, I know my m and I know my n, so I'm told to find the product of m and n. Now, in that case, let's do that here. I want to find the product of m and n. So let me do that here. Let me do that here. So if I'm finding the product of m and n, now I want to find m. Let's write it here, m times n. That is the product of m and n. In that case, I'm going to have, if you look at this from here, my m is 4 over 3 square root of 3 over 4, which can be written as 4 over 3 times 3 over 4 raised to the power of half. Raised to the power of half. That's the square root. Raised to the power of half. Then multiply by my n. My n is 4 over 3 into the square root of 3 over 4 raised to power 3. And that can be written as 3 over 4 raised to the power of 3 over 2. Now, if I apply law of indices here, I'm going to have, this is going to give me 4 over 3 times 4 over 3, 4 over 3 times 4 over 3, then times 3 over 4. Since they are having the common base, then I can add their power. Their common base is 3 over 4. Their powers, I'm going to add it. So that is 1 over 2 plus 3 over 2. So I'm going to have, this is going to give me 16 over 9 times 3 over 4 raised to the power of 4 over 2. Raised to the power of 4 over 2. And this is going to be equal to, 16 over 9. 16 over 9 multiplied by 3 over 4. 3 over 4 raised to the power of 2. Raised to the power of 2. Now, in that case, that means I'm going to have 16 over 9. This is going to be equal to 16 over 9 multiplied by 3 raised to power 2 is going to give me 9, divided by 4 raised to power of 2 is going to give me 16. So 9 here 1, 9 here 1. So 16 here 1, 16 here 1. So 1 multiplied by 1. So I'm going to have 1 over 1, which is going to be equals to 1. So m n is equals to 1. Thank you. You all are welcome to the Sublime Maths class.